LA City 911, operator 521.
Hi, yeah, I have a transient pointing what looks like a gun right here, heading towards the 10 West on, he's on Western and Washington, right across the street from the McDonald's. He's pointing at cars. It looks like a gun. It was a gun, right? Yeah.
And description of him?
White male with long hair.
What color clothing?
No, he was white.
Yeah.
What color clothing?
Sorry?
What color clothing?
He was wearing a black shirt with jeans.
Black shirt, blue jeans. Do you know what kind of weapon? What kind of gun?
It's like a mini shotgun.
Like a sawed-off shotgun or something.
Okay, your name and phone number?
My name is and my phone number is...
How do you spell your first name, ma'am? Okay, listen, officers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just head south to see what we see. Right there. Northwest corner. Oh shit. 2097. We have eyes in the suspect. Western.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Hey, drop it! Drop it! I got it. It's a pole. No. Hey, drop it! Fucking drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Hey, come on!
Suspect still not complying with officers' demand, has not dropped the shotgun, now in the business, walking towards the middle of the street on 18th, just west of Western, walking away from officers now towards the south side of the street on 18th.
Hey, grab a 40! Grab a 40! Grab a 40! Grab a 40! Where's up, ready loaded? Hit him with another 40! Where's up and ready? 40, 40, 40! Hey, you dropped it! Hey, you dropped it! You dropped it! Hey, grab it! Hey, get in the car! Hey, move up! Move up! Hey, grab a 40! Grab a 40! Grab a 40! Grab a 40! Where's up, ready loaded? Where's